out from my window. Sun's coming up like the day before. You're like a stone on my pillow. I don't make a sound when I shut the door. You don't have to wake up yet. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon, Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on all the way baritone. Yeah. Shut the lights, go infrared. We can spend all day in bed. I get the wine and the corkscrew. You don't have to do one single thing. You don't know how much I want you. Just looking at you makes my whole world spin. You don't have to wake up yet. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon, Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on all the way baritone. Shut the lights, go infrared. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon, Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on all the way baritone. Shut the lights, go infrared. We can spend all day in bed.
Hello beautiful people, welcome to my channel. My name is Pulukonta Mehlo and I am the owner of this channel together with my two beautiful babies, two beautiful girls, and I am expecting a little one. I don't know if you can see. That is for those that are joining us for the first time. If you are joining us for the first time, please consider subscribing, and if you've been here, stand aside. Thank you so much for your continuous support. I really appreciate it. Thank you for liking the videos, and guys, if you haven't, or I don't know, please like the video. Just take a moment and like the video. So guys, I don't know what's happening today, but I just figured I should come here because I don't know, for some reason I'm not feeling okay. Emotionally, I'm not doing well. Physically, obviously I'm not well. Constantly in pains, constantly crying, and I don't know, I'm just tired. I'm tired of a lot of things. I'm tired of so many things. And it's just difficult. Yeah. I hope you're doing well at home, and I hope you're taking care of yourself. I hope you love yourself enough. Yeah. I don't know, I'm not okay. There's a lot happening, but yeah. Anyway, today I'm craving tin fish, pilchard. I'm craving pill chart. I don't know if oh, by the way, this is Wednesday, the day after I posted that video where we did not have electricity for days. So it came at night, Tuesday night, 10 p.m. or 8 p.m. and then there was load shedding at 10. So it's not a problem. So now it's back, but we don't know for how long. It's back. So now I'm craving rice and pilchard or something with pilchard, not bread though. I don't want bread. I really don't want bread. I want pilchard and I don't have it in the house, and my husband is busy. I don't know, he might say he can't go because he's busy at work. I don't want to go to the shops. I can't go to the shops. But anyway, welcome to my channel, and I hope you like it here. I hope you will consider subscribing, and again, for my returning subbies, thank you so much for your continuous support. Let's share the video, guys. The channel is growing. I would have loved that we reach 1,000, like I've been saying, 1,000 before the baby comes, before June. But honestly, I can't force the people to subscribe. I can only hope that they will. So please, help me grow the channel. So I'll see you guys just now.
Fool me once, fool me twice. When you're hiding things, might as well be lies. Can you ever get it right? How long will I let this shit fly? Hit up my girls, pull up, I'm outside, waiting by the curb. Too upset to drive, you getting on my nerves. We gon' get lit on this ride. I look too damn good to fight. Don't expect me to come home tonight. About me, see you in the morning. Bet you never thought that I would leave. Think I had about enough. I mean, hold up, you could call me on my bluff. I ain't coming, no wait up. You gon' miss this body. Too late, oh I'm sorry. Bet you never thought that I would leave. Had about enough. Hold up.
And I'm gonna change the baby, and I'm gonna give the baby diaper, and then food, and she's gonna poop,
Thank you.
and I'm gonna play with the baby.
Thank you, Mama.
I'm gonna play with the baby with my toys, and do you know teachers take babies? Babies go to school.
Okay. Thank you. Now you're gonna be a very, very, very nice sister. Thank you, Nat. I love you. Good morning, beautiful people. It's Thursday today, and yesterday I cooked what I wanted to eat, but after the last spoon I had the most painful panic attack. No, that was painful, and after that I just went to bed, so I couldn't even take my phone to record anything. But we are here. It's 8 o'clock right now, and I'm going to make myself some tea. The girls are gone to school. They left at 7. I'm just not okay. No matter how hard I'm trying to act strong, the panic attack really showed me that I'm not fine. And at this point, I just want to be done with the pregnancy.
I don't know what I'd do without you.
because it's not easy.
You make me smile. What is it that you do?
And it's days like this where no matter how much I talk to people, it's not fulfilling. But and I'm listening to gospel and I'm praying, something happens in me. So I think today I'll just continue listening to some music. I just want to be fine and just feel normal. Just want to be with you. Just want to be okay. And it's days like this where I don't even want to talk to my family at all. I don't want to call home. But when they're calling, I can't ignore. Can't ignore their calls. And I just have to act strong, like nothing is happening. I'll be fine though. I'll be okay. Okay, let's go make some tea and eat something. Please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. I'll see you in the next clip.
1 hour later.
So it turns out that there's no electricity, so I can't make my tea. It's 7:30, so we can't make tea. That means I have to eat my bread with oros or water. I'm hungry. Pregnancy, you'll wake up very hungry. I'm hungry and I need to eat something. I'm gonna eat now bread and jam, and I'll see what to do after that. I think I'm not gonna be able to listen to music the way I want it. I can listen to it on the phone, but I didn't want to listen to music like that. But anyway, let me go and go eat. Hi guys, I've been sleeping and I woke up at 12, so I've been sleeping since 9 or to 10 and woke up at 12. I'm gonna make myself some food. Wanna see what I'm gonna eat? Don't laugh at me. Blame it on pregnancy. I'm making this bread rama, some oros, and a kid's snack for school. We have a baby in here, Leah, and he wants some snack. That's my excuse. But really guys, this is nice. This combo is giving. A friend of mine always laughs at me, say I don't use a butter knife to put vama. I hope she's gonna watch this and be proud of me. Fritos. But my favorite fritos are the barbecue ones. These ones are nice also. In case you didn't see, I'm having fritos with bread. Fritos with some bread. It's so nice. You must try it. This is not pregnancy cravings or whatever, but I can actually eat this even when I'm not pregnant. Just try it. It's nice. Oh, guys, I just recorded my first trimester video now, and it's gonna go before this video. So I'm sure you will see with my eyes the way I've been crying. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna end the video here. I wanted to say something though before I leave, guys. These pregnancy features, I don't like them. My skin is so dark. My belly, luckily, is not dark, but the other parts, my armpits, the bums, the thighs, so dark, and I don't like it, and I can't wait to be done with this pregnancy, to be honest, so that I can feel like sharp. And anyway, electricity has been gone since that time in the morning when I slept around 2:09. It's still not back, and it's past 2 now. I don't know if this is another episode of us not having electricity for days. So I don't know. At this point, there's nothing I want to show you. I'm not physically feeling well. I'm not feeling well. That's why I just want to end this video here. And I want to say thank you so much for watching until this far. I hope you will like the video. Most importantly, even if you're not subscribed, please like the video. Guys, liking the video helps me a lot, because YouTube will put my videos to other people. The more we like, the better, you understand? And if more people see the channel, more people will consider subscribing, you understand? So please like the videos. When 100 and something people are watching and they're not liking, I'm like, okay, just that 1 second, just click that thumbs up. Oh, another thing I never say is put on your post notification bell. My kids are the ones that always say that. Put on your post notification bell, guys, so that every time I post a new video, YouTube can alert you and give you that notification. Anyway, let me go. This is the end of the mini vlog that I tried doing, and I'm really sorry for those that felt uncomfortable watching me cry. I didn't plan it. It happens. I'm sorry. Anyway, thank you so much. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing, and thank you for liking the video. See you on the next one. Bye.